Hi everyone, welcome to A10 Adventures. We are on the road again, headed to Gaffney, South Carolina. We'll be there tonight, staying in a hotel while the RV gets its maintenance.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard tonight. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by.
We made it to West Virginia. It's our first time taking the RV
And
this way.
it doesn't even
Been an adventure,
matter
that's
to
for
me
sure.
where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
All right, it is now Thursday. We dropped our RV off at the service center last night in Gaffney, late last night. We got to our hotel room around 11. Went to bed around 1 a.m. Up around 6, Kevin had to go check in at the service center at like 6:45, and then we ate breakfast. And now we just have a free day to like do whatever we want. So we're trying to figure out what we want to do today. We didn't realize that the pool is outside here, so we had all these plans to go swimming, but it's an outdoor pool, high of 60, that's not gonna work.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by.
Well, that's kind of weird.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Time to get on the road, going about 100 miles. Fair Play, South Carolina. Make sure the rig's good after the maintenance. Carolina Landing.
Friday night around 7, stuck behind your desk and by the phone.
This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
Oh, I knew that.
Everything you said, I know you felt this many times before.
Everything succeeded, so take that bag and walk right out the door.
My first time camping in South Carolina.
And here is one for the road. No
little bin.
Slowly erase your destiny, and you will be just fine. Don't you let down, 'cause we got it covered. Everyone here knows what's on your mind.
Sticking in some water.
Don't you ever down, 'cause we got it covered. So let it out, just let it out.
Got it? Cool. Dang, why are you never done?
Because I want to.
Are you,
I don't want to die.
All right, it is Saturday morning, January 7th. We stayed overnight at Carolina Landing in Fairplay, South Carolina last night. Site's not too bad. Campground's just a little small. It got really cold overnight, just like it does in Michigan, and it's cold this morning. So we've made the executive decision to head on out of here today, head to Ocala, Florida, stay at the rest stop there that we know and love, and then we have a spot in the Orlando area on Sunday night. And then we get into our actual Orlando spot on Monday. So take a look at the campground as we get out of here. I'm going the wrong way, by the way.
You will be just fine. Don't you ever down, 'cause we got it covered. Everyone here knows what's on your mind. Don't you ever down, 'cause we got it covered. So let it out, just let it out. And even if it rains, love will be the ruler. The clouds will feel ashamed. The sun will be inside us. Don't you ever down, 'cause we got it covered. Got it And here is one for the road. Nobody cares and everyone's on the run, run to clear your mind.
I know it's all there is to be. Slowly erase your destiny and you.
All right, I made it to the Sam's in Anderson, South Carolina. Have a few things to stock up on before we get to Ocala, Florida and the rest area. First, I have to update my Sam's app on my phone. I wanted to leave the campground by noon, so let's see if we can get it done. No rush though, like I don't have to leave by then. We have about a 7-hour drive from Fairplay, South Carolina to Ocala, Florida. Say goodbye, Carolina Landing. We're leaving a day early to miss the rain tomorrow. Headed to Ocala. This is the first time that we have not hooked up at the campground, and we came to this TA, which was like half a mile, not even maybe a quarter mile down the road, before we get on the highway, fueling up, and then we'll hook up.
This 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream that keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Interstate might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the place.
All right, we made it to Ocala last night, about like 9 o'clock. I was really tired, went to bed right away after getting settled here at our spot at the rest stop in Marion County. We have reservations tonight for Lake Magic in Claremont, Florida, about 3 miles away from our Orlando 1,000 Trails stay that we have until the 23rd. So I'm super excited to get settled into a new campground for one day and then to our favorite.
As I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive.
It started out in the high 30s this morning when we woke up, and now it's in the 50s and sunny.
Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream.
All right, we're here at Lake Magic. The experience has been 100% amazing. We got into our site beautifully. We're in 605, and we're all set up. Girls are outside playing, and we're gonna figure out our food situation and just enjoy our Sunday evening. We go to Orlando 1,000 Trails tomorrow.
For as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. For as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender.
That's all I have for this video. You'll see me in the next one.